What's on the menu today?
We're gonna do some Tea Smoke Venison. It's a northern Chinese technique for smoking. I like it a lot because you don't get any of that bitterness you would from like a mesquite or wood. So we're actually just gonna be using tea, juniper berries, sugar, and flour. I'm not gonna season it just yet. We'll season it right before it goes on the grill.
So you don't want to draw out the moisture, is that
Yeah,
why?
exactly,
Okay.
exactly. We'll get this guy going, and this happens real fast. This is just a home, tabletop smoker. So it's just these 4 ingredients: jasmine tea, flour, sugar. Depending on like what you're smoking, if it's a higher heat smoker, you can put a little rice in there. That'll also retard it burning.
What does the flour do?
The flour is actually there to kind of keep the sugar from caramelizing.
Okay.
So it's just another ingredient in there.
Nice tip.
Yep. So we have our venison right in there. It doesn't take long, not even 5 minutes.
So you're just smoking it to impart the flavor,
exactly.
not to cook it.
Exactly.